So hello everyone, welcome to another trading session. Based on the I last video I did explaining my strategy on taking reversals. Today I'll be making the trades I'll be making will be only reversal trades. Yeah. If I'm going to take a reversal trade here, I need to make sure that uh, this trend has gotten to its formal swing position, and to do that what I just need to do is I will go back and see, yes, this was a swing. I will draw my lines. Let me make these lines line thicker, 2px white. This was a swing position, but price has passed here, and price is now here. Yes. Now to take reversal, it's best for me to wait for price to get to this position. And the price gets there, most likely it will reverse. Now price did not even get to that point and it started reversing. The second point I can even take is um this price might want to use this place as support. If you come here and see, now we have something like a breakout here. So this 1 2 3 is like a reversal pattern. Now the best way to enter this trade, this particular trade, is to wait for a green candle. Yeah, a green candle might form because there is also a support point here and it broke out. But first I want to understand, okay, price must have reversed from this point, this side. If you see what price did here, price moved like this, moved like this, price moved like this, move like this, move like this, then move like this, and came up like this before it now came down. This is also a swing position. So if I'm to check, probably price must have reversed from that exact point. Yeah. This is an opportunity. This trade has started already. I okay. First, let's look at this. Price moved like this, like this, like this, like this. This a reversal, but a continuation, trend continuation upwards. And I expect this to be a good candle. I would have entered this trade if I was here. But let's look at this. Three, 6, 5, 7. See, we had the reversal pattern. Wow. Okay. So if you want to enter this trade, best you should wait for price to come down here and respect this point. So while we wait, let's check other opportunities. If price breaks below this week of this spinning candle, I'll take a sell. I am just afraid that this side could act as a support. That's what I'm afraid. But if it breaks it, I'll enter a sell. So that's our sell. So you might lose this trade, but it's fine. Okay, this was a losing trade. Okay, this is cool. The trend is downtrend. We're having this massive sell. Hopeful this will break this point, and we'll go with sellers. So I saw this reversal pattern. That's why I took this trade, and it broke it down. Hopefully the trade comes to our prediction. See, I took this because if you look at this, there's a swing position here. The general trend is downtrend. Get general trend is downtrend. That's why I took this trade. And we have a reversal pattern. If the candle doesn't come, I'm not entering. This should be a green candle. Let's see. Can wait for either here or here. I'll be back. Let me check for other opportunities. Okay, so base this point. Let's see. I was expecting this to be a green candle. So what I'll do is, because of I can see the buyers, I'm going to go with the sellers. So I decided to go with the sellers here. Although we had a breakout, quite a risky trade though. I can see this can be an issue for me, which I did not look at well. Okay. We have another loss. Damn, I didn't know my playlist was paused. This why I have lost two more trades and won one. And let's see, and can still see an opportunity here. 5.18. Only if I can get a red candle that respects this point here and I go with buyers. But if it's too far, okay, I'm not going with that space. I took my trade, yeah, and why I took it is because there was a swing here and I decided to enter at this point. The reason why I wanted to follow this was the market was reacting to this swing point here, and I was thinking the price genuinely wanted to come down after breaking this point. So I wanted to follow the market, but I did the same thing here, as well. So I was able to win this trade. Let's look for opportunities. Okay, this one, 5, 4, 3. I'm not entering this market because it broke it. It broke this support point. Let's say it didn't break it, I would have entered it. This is a, what will I call it? A range. Market wants to be moving in range. A ranging market. So I'll take a sell here. Why I took a sell was this part Z acting as resistance, and we had the hammer just below the resistance. That's why I took this sell. Hopefully we win this trade. Okay, I wanted to take a buy after it breaks this point, but let's see how our market is doing here. Wow, that was a very very close score. I almost lost this trade. These 5 losses and 4 wins, and I'm stopping here. Today's session was a very very difficult one, I must say. Um, if not for the gap down, I would have lost this trade. So I'm stopping at 5% profits today. I'm not going above this because today's session proved to be very very difficult. So all thanks to the trade manager, I was able to get my 4 wins out of 12 and ended today's session with 5% profit, and that's very very much okay for me right now.